Welcome back, students. Let us continue the squares and square root chapter, exercise 6.3, problem 6. Until now we have solved 3 problems. I'll continue with the 4th problem. Here the problem given is 2645. 2645. First we'll factorize the number 2645 I've taken. Now next is we'll factorize 252 and it goes by, if you don't know, you go one by one. So 52 means what? 52 into 2 is 4, 5 2s are 10. So this 52 and this is 9. So into, you multiply whole thing into 2. So I'll just go by this. Directly 5 to 9 I am writing. 5 to 9 you just, so 2 9s are 18, 8 1, sorry this is 5, so I made a mistake. 5 you take 5, then this is directly I'll tell 5 5s are 25, 1 is there, so we'll work 2 4 6 5, this is 5 5s are 25, 5 1 remainder 14, 5 2s are 10, 10 then 14 means 4 comes here, that is 5 9s are 45. So this is the way we have to do the factorization step. Next is we have, since we have 23 into 23 is 529, we directly take 23. So multiply and see, 23 into 23, this is 9, 3 2s are 6, 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4, 9 6 12, 529 we are getting. So this is how to factorize, and this is the square of this number. So next step what we have to do, the prime. So next step is prime factorization. Prime factorization of, that is 2645 is, that is 2645 is equal to, that is 5 into 23 into 23. So next step is the prime factorization. Prime factorization has the prime the prime factors. 5 has, so here as the previous problem, 5 has no pair. Prime factor 5 has no pair. So what is the, has no pair? Now what we have to do, divide 2645 by 5. So I'll just take 2645, then divide by 5, which is equal to 529. This is a perfect square. As we know, 23 into 23 is 529. Is perfect square. So now thus, what we write, thus the required smallest number is what? 5. Required smallest number is 5. Hence what we write, hence root 5 to 9 is equal to 23. So next step is, next problem is 2800. So what we have to do, first directly we'll factorize this number. What is this number? 2800. So we'll take first one as 2. So 2 is, so 2 1s are, 2 4s are. So this is very easy, 2 1s are, 2 4s are. Now 2 we take, this is 7s are, 0 0. 2 again we take, this is 2 3s are 6, 1 you take this side, 2 3s are 6, 3 3s are 9. So we get how much? That is 2 5s are 10, then it is 0. See here, 2 3s are 6. 6 means 1 remainder it goes here. 2 5s are 10, 0 0. Next 35, again it goes by 2. We get 175. 2 1s are 2, 1 this side, 2 7s are 14, again 1 this side, 2 5s are 10. So now we will take 5 here. Since we got 5 here, then it is 35s are. So again 3 5s are 15. Okay, 3 5s are 15, 2 this side, then 5 will be 35. Again 5 again will take, this will become 7s. So here we continue the next step. What is the next step? The prime. So the prime factorization, the time factorization of, that is 2800 is prime factorization 2800 is 2800, that is 2 into 2 into 2, 2 pair of 2, 1 pair of 5 and 1 7 is there. So next step we write prime factor 7 has no pair. So prime factor 7 has no pair, has no pair. So what is the next step? We'll move on to the next sheet, that is 7 has no pair. Then we'll continue. So what we have to do? Divide, that is 2800 by 7, so 2800 divided by 7 is equal to, write down the remaining 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 5 into 5 we have. So 5 into 5 we have. So therefore next step is, so we have to take this 7 and divide by these 2. So what we get? 2800 divided by 7 will be equal to 400. So now see, in the above we have to write here. Now each prime factor has a pair. So now what to do? We got this, that is 2800 divided by 7 is equal to 400, which is a perfect square. Thus the required smallest number is what? 7. Hence root 400 is equal to, which is 2. Take 1 here, 2 from this pair, as previous problems we solved. 1 from this pair and 1 from 5. Multiply all this, 2 2s are 4. 4 into 5 is equal to 20. So this is the solution for this one. Next problem, we move on to the last problem in the sixth problem, that is 6120. Here we just first factorize this. So 1620 will be 2s are, then I'll make it fast, 810, then factorize this to 405. Again, no, here we'll take 3 will be 135s, again 3 will take, then this will be 45, again we'll take 3, this will be 15s, then 3 again will take, this ends with 5. So what are the next step? I'll write the prime factorization of, what is the number? 6120 is 6120, which is equal to, write down all, 2 into 2, 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into last number is 5. So prime factor 5 has no pair. So what we have to do? divide. Next step is divide, that is, what is the number? 1620 by 5. Then what we get? That is 1620 divided by 5 will be 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. Now each factor or prime factor has a pair. Now what happens? Therefore 1620 divided by 5 is equal to 324 is a perfect square. Perfect square. Hence root 324 is equal to 2 into 3 into 3, which is equal to, that is 3 2s are 6, 6 3s are 18. Thus the required smallest number is how much? 5. So we move on to the next problem. That is seventh one. We read the problem. Just the students of class 8 of a school donated rupees 2401 in all for Prime Minister National Relief Fund. Each student donated as many rupees as the number of students in the class. Find the number of students in the class. So we'll see the solution. So question is 7. First solution, let the number of students, we don't know the number of students in the class. Let the number of students in the class be X. Then rupees, so we don't know rupees donated by each student. We don't know how many number of students are there. Even we don't know how many rupees each student donated. We'll take this also, rupee X. So number of student X, rupee X. Therefore we see rupees donated rupees donated by X students. Rupees donated by X students is equal to rupee X into X is equal to rupee X square. Therefore the students of class 8 of a school donated rupees 2401. So this is the total number of rupees for Prime Minister's National Relief Fund. Therefore next step is X square is equal to, we got X square, equate this to number 2401. X is equal to square root of 2401, which is equal to the prime factorization of 2401 is, now we'll factorize this, that is 2401 7s are 343. Then this one goes by 7 again. 49, 7 into 49. Again 7 into 7, 7. Thus we have next step. We'll write down here 2401 is equal to 7 into 7 into 7 into 7. So, therefore, x is equal to square root of 2401 is equal to 7 into 7 into 7 into 7. So take two pair of 7. Take 1 7 from each pair. So which is equal to 40. So this is 2401. 7 into 7 for two pairs of 7. X is equal to square root of 2401. Now write square root of 7 into 7, 7 into 7. Take 1 1 from each pair. So we'll get 49. So what is the solution now? N's. We can write N's. The number of students. So number of students in the class is 49. So we got the number of students in the class as 49. So this is the solution for question 7. So we move on to the question 8. So here in the question 8, 2025 plants are to be planted in a garden in such a way that each row contains as many plants as number of rows. Find the number of rows and number of plants in the each row. So we'll write on the solution here. Let the number of rows be x. Number of rows be x. Then number of plants in each row will take it as x. Number of plants in each row will be x. Number of plants in each number of rows be x. Number of plants be x. Therefore, next step is number of plants in x rows. X rows is equal to x into x is equal to x square. But 2025 plants are to be planted. So how much they have given? 2025 plants to be planted in a garden. Therefore, x square is equal to, that is 2025 is equal to, that is x is equal to, that is 2025. So next step, the prime factorization. Now the prime factorization of 2025 is, so just we'll factorize this number and we'll see. 2025 factorize 3 will take, this is 675, again 3 is 225, again we'll take 3, then 75 is again 3 will take. So these problems I've already done, and I'm writing very fast, but you just 25 here, please go slow, and so this goes by 5. So now what is the solution we get? 3 into how many pairs we get? 3 into 3 into 3 pairs, and last is 5 into 5. Therefore what happens? X is equal to square root of 2025, which is equal to that is 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 5 into 5. So take one number from each pair. See here one pair, here one pair. X is equal to 3 into 3 into 5. So 3 into 3, 9, 9 5s are 45. So how much we got? Hence the number of rows is 45, and the number of plants in each row is 45. So the number of rows is 45 and the number of plants in each row is 45. So this is the solution for the 8th problem. If you have any doubts, comment me, subscribe my channel. Thank you.